Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Mohammad Al Yamin Opu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 6. Our today's topic is MCQ part 4. Our today's lecture number is 40 for the annual term examination and our homework number is 38. Okay, let's get start our classes. Now, in MCQ part 1 to part 3, we have already learned from 1 to 30. Today, we will learn from 31 to 40. Only 10 questions today. Okay, now question number 31, dear students. Price of an exercise book is taka X. If you buy 2 exercise books and pay 44 taka, what is the value of X? We have to find out the value of X. Okay, that means we have to find out the value of the exercise book's price. Look, you bought 2 exercise book. One exercise book's price is taka X. One exercise book's price is X taka. So it's 2 exercise books price is 2 multiply X. That's equal to twice X. Okay. And you pay 44 taka for these 2 exercise books. That means we can write down 2 as X is equal to 44, because you gave 44 taka to the shopkeeper for buying 2 exercise books. 2 exercise books price is twice X. So we can write down twice X equal to 44. Now we have to find out the value of X. To find out the value of X, we have to omit this 2. To omit this 2, we have to divide both sides by 2. Then we will get the value of X. So our value of X will be what? Our value of X will be 22. So our answer will be 22. Now find out the options. In option C we have 22. So our answer will be option C. Now come on number 32. Question number 32 is, what is the value of x to the power 6 multiply x to the power minus 6? We have to find out the value of this multiplication. X to the power 6 multiply x to the power minus 6. Okay, come on the board. It's so easy. You know that x to the power 6 multiply x to the power minus 6. Our base is same, so our base will be remain x. Okay, our index will be added because it's a multiplication sign. When multiplication sign is arise, we can add the indexes. Our indexes is what? 6 plus its minus 6. Okay, so it should be x to the power 6 minus 6. X to the power naught. It should be x to the power naught will be our answer. Our answer will be x to the power naught. Look at the question number. It should be option number C, because in option number C we have x to the power naught. Okay. Now question number 33. What is the index? What is the index of x in 6x square multiply 4x to the power 4? We have to find out the index of x. We have to find out the index of x. So we have to multiply only x here. Okay. Then we can find out the index. How? Look, we have 6x square multiply 4x to the power 4. To do this one, first of all, numerical coefficients are 6 and 4. It is 24. Now our base are same. Base is x. Index will be added 2 plus 4. It should be 24 x to the power 6. Now we have to find out only the index of x. Our index of x is what? Our index of x is 6. So our answer will be 6. Our answer will be 6. Option D says the answer is 6. So option D will be our correct answer. Next question number is 34. Okay. 34 is, Bimal bought an exercise book and a pencil for taka 30. An exercise book and a pencil for taka 30 from a shop. The pencil cost x taka. The pencil's cost is x taka, and exercise book cost twice the cost of the pencil. That means pencil's cost is x taka and it must be the exercise book's cost will be twice x, because twice of the cost price of pencil. That means twice x will be the cost price of exercise book. Okay. Activity 1 is exercise book cost thrice x taka. Already we have learned this. The exercise book's price is how much? Twice of the x. Twice of x means 2 multiply x. It should be twice x. But activity 1 says that what? Exercise book's cost is twice x taka. It is must be wrong because our exercise book's price will be twice x taka, not thrice x. Okay, so it is wrong. Activity 2 is by the question equation is x plus twice x equal to 30. By the question says that the price of exercise book is twice x and the price of pencil is x. So it should be added, it will be total 30. The equation will be this one, x plus thrice x equal to 30. And activity 2 says that the equation is x plus twice x equal to 30. That means it's correct. Okay. Now activity 3, if the exercise book cost 20 taka, the pencil cost 10 taka. It's also correct because the exercise book's cost is twice than the price of the pencils. The price of pencil is 10, so 10 multiplied 2 is 20 taka is the cost price of exercise book. So activity 3 is also correct. Okay. Now our question is which one of the following is true? Our correct answer will be activity 2 and activity 3 is correct. So what is activity 2 and 3? We find out this one in C. Activity 2, activity 3 is correct in option C. So our answer will be option C. Now we have a steam. Next one, in the figure ABC triangle of angle BAC is 120 degree. Angle BAC here, angle BAC is 120 degree and AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. That means this angle is 120 degree. This angle is how much? 120 degree. Okay. And this AD line is perpendicular to BC. Now answer the questions from 35 to 37 in the light of the figure. Number 35. Angle ADC is equal to how much? You have to find out the angle ADC. Angle ADC is what? Angle ADC. That means this angle you have to find out. We already learned this one. AD side is the perpendicular side of BC. That means this must be a right angle. ADB is a right angle. That means it's a 90 degree or a right angle. Option A is 30 degree, option B is 45 degree, option C 60 degree and option D is 90 degree. It must be 90 degree or a right angle. So our answer will be D. Now number 36. What is the complementary angle of angle ABD? What is the complementary angle of angle ABD? Where is angle ABD? Angle ABD. That means this angle. We have to find out this angle's complementary angle. Okay. Complementary angle is what? The definition of complementary angle is when the sum of two angle is 90 degree, then that two angles are called complementary angle to each other. Okay. In this figure, triangle ADB is a right angle triangle because angle ADB, this angle is 90 degree. So we can say that angle opposite two angles, that means ABD and angle BAD, these two angle sum is 90 degree also. These two angles sum is also 90 degree because this is 90 degree and so these two angles sum is 90 degree. That means we can say that angle BAD and angle ABD is the complementary angle to each other. So we have to find out the complementary angle of which one? We have to find out the complementary angle of angle ABD. Angle ABD's complementary angle is what? Angle BAD. That means this angle BAD. What is our answer? Option A is ADB, no. Option B is CAD, no. Option C is BAD, yes. Our answer will be option C. Okay. Now number 37. Which one is the straight angle? Which one is the straight angle? You know very carefully the straight angle is what? Which measurement is 180 degree? Which measurement is 180 degree or measurement is to right angle? Okay. In the stream says that AD is perpendicular to BC. That means these are right angles. ADB and ADC are right angle. That means these two angles sum. That means angle ADB and angle ADC sum is angle BDC is two right angle, one right angle and two right angle. So angle BDC will be our straight angle. Angle BDC. Now option test. Option A says angle ADB, no. Option B says angle CAD, no. Option C says angle ACD, no. Option D says angle BDC. Yes, this is our answer, angle BDC. Now 38 number question is, with the help of the protractor, activity 1, 45-degree angle can be drawn. With a protractor, you can draw a 45-degree angle. This is our protractor, you know. Okay, this is our protractor. And with the help of a protractor, we can draw an angle below 180 degree. Okay, we can below 180, up to 180 degree. We can draw up to 180 degree from the help of the protractor. Okay, so option A is correct because 45-degree angle can be drawn, it's correct. 155-degree angle can be drawn, it's also correct because we say already that up to 180 degree we can draw. So, 155 degree is possible. Okay. And activity C says a circle can be drawn. No, it's not possible because a protractor, with the help of a protractor, we can draw a half circle, not a full circle. That means option that means activity C is not correct. Our correct answer will be 1 and 2. Which one of the following is correct? The activity 1 and activity 2 are correct. So, answer will be A. Our answer will be A. Now, number 39. Number 39 says using pencil compass, which angle can be drawn? You know that very carefully. Look at the board very carefully. We can draw a right angle with the help of the pencil compass. Okay, and we can divide it. We can divide it into two parts. That means it's a right angle. Right angle is how many? Right angle is 90 degree. Its measurement is 90 degree. So when we bisect this angle, it will be 45 degree. That means 45 degree can be drawn by the pencil compass. Okay. So 45 degree can be drawn and 90 degree can be drawn. Option test is first one is 20 degree, second one is 45 degree, answer C will be 70 degree, D option is 110 degree. It will be answer our 45 degree. Okay. So option B will be our answer. Now the last one is, which angle can be drawn by set square? Which angle can be drawn by set square? We know that by a set square we can draw a right angled isosceles triangle. That means we can draw 45 degree. Look, right angle isosceles triangle is what? Right angle isosceles triangle, that means this one. This is right angle, it's 90 degree, and these two opposite angle, that means these two opposite angles are equal. Okay. So when it's equal, that means these two angles sum is 90 degree. These two angles sum is 90 degree means this two angle is measurement will be 45 degree. Each measurement is 45 degree. That means we can draw 45 degree and 90 degree by a set square. So answer will be 90 or 45. So option test, its option A is 20, option B is 45, option C is 70, and option D says 110. Our answer will be 45 degree. That means option B will be our answer. Okay, dear students, you should do your homework. This is your homework number 38. I hope you have understood my today's lecture. You should do your homework in your assigned homework copy, and you should give the homework number. You should give the homework number, dear students. I think you are all well, and stay home, stay safe. Abide by your parents, keep practicing at home. See you again. Allah Hafiz.